Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so excited to be back on camera. Like, give me a hug. I miss you guys so much. It's been so incredibly busy. I am actually at the studio tonight wrapping up some things from this weekend. We had our very first wedding here this weekend. I'm going to give you guys a glimpse of that in a separate video. I also had a baby shower this weekend, and then I had a corporate client this weekend. So it has been so busy, but we are so grateful to God that things are really going well at Lux Studio. Now, you guys have heard about me starting up my very own event planning school called Lux Academy. So more information is coming on that. I will be sure to leave a link down below when the registration goes live. So you guys don't want to miss that, because I am going to have limited seats, and I promise you that it will not be one of those fluff things. I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I know and not holding anything back. And we'll also have some working sessions as well. So today I have an amazing haul. I got some things at amazing prices. Oh my goodness. I went to Hobby Lobby. I went to Bargain Hunt, Dillard's, and Ross, and I got some like unbelievable deals. Most of the things that I'm going to be sharing with you in this haul was at least 75% to 90% off. In some cases way beyond that. Like, they were practically giving it away. So, and for those of you all who are new to my channel, my whole premises for starting this channel was to teach you guys how to live creatively, beautifully, and luxuriously for less. And so that is my claim to YouTube. That is my niche, my market, my area, my passion. And so, here for the first time, please take the opportunity to go and listen to my channel trailer. I will leave that link down below so you can learn a little bit more about my channel. Now, oh my goodness, I've been babbling on for 5 minutes, so let me get into this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to leave me a huge thumbs up. I love you guys. I hope you're off to an amazing 2018, and let's start shopping, or should I say hauling. So let's start hauling. Items for the home. Now, I hit the super duper jackpot at Ross. I came across this really cute wine glass that says eat, drink, and be married, and it's in black and gold. You guys know I absolutely love black and gold, and it was only 49 cents, so that was 40% off. I also came across this set of 2 his and her glasses in gold. This would be perfect for a wedding or for Valentine's Day, or just to have around your home. Both of these were 49 cents as well, so I thought that was an amazing price. I also came across these designer's choice plates, or salad plates. I thought these were so super cute in black and gold, and I got the entire set of 4 for $1.49. But the steal of the deal was the set of 4 Mikasa glasses for only $1.99, and I was able to pick up 2 sets of these as well. And then I found this happily ever after sign that would be great in your home. I may use it in my home and in my studio, and this sign was only $2.99. So here is my receipt, and I think I did such an amazing job at Ross. Next up, I went to Dillard's, and they had Christmas ornaments, buy one at 90% off, get one free. And oh my goodness, I was so stoked. I went absolutely insane. I saw this sofa. You guys know I love bright colors in our home, and so this is more of a turquoise blue color. It has like gold pillows and a white fur throw. I thought this was so super cute, and it was originally I think like $32, but it was buy one get one, and it was 90% off as well. And then I came across this rustic snowflake, and I love the fact that it is frosted, and I think it was originally $22, and it was buy one get one free, so it ended up being like $1 and something each snowflake. So I thought that was an amazing price as well, especially with, you know, all of the detailing on it, as well as the size of the snowflake. My apologies, I could not get the price to zoom in, but you have to trust me on it. The next thing I got was this acorn ball, and I love the greenery at the top and the berries. Again, great price. I also picked up this Southern Home ribbon. It was originally $22 a roll, but you can use this all year round, but you could definitely use it for Christmas. And then I purchased these XOXO ornaments for $1 with buy one get one free, and then these pink ornaments as well. So I was super excited about all of the ornaments that I got for less than $30. Ton of fun purchasing items for my business. The first thing that I came across was this gigantic love balloon set, and then I purchased the matching napkins that said love as well. They were like the smaller beverage napkins were, I want to say, like 50 cents, and these were like 99 cents. And then they also had the matching love cake plates that were $1.24, and then the bigger ones that were more like $1.40 something cents. I love these because they're cheaper than a Dollar Tree, or much better. I also picked up these gold little baskets. They were 39 cents, and then they also had the wedding baskets in gray. They had the matching guest book, the matching pen, and the matching basket. I was so I also picked up these floating candles, and all of these were on clearance at Hobby Lobby for 75% off. I was so excited that I also purchased the same set in the white bling, and I got the pen, the basket, the guest book, the floating candles, the entire set, the ring bearer pillow. I got it in black and white as well because these were like super cheap, like around $7. And then I got the basket in black and white along with the matching pen and the matching guest book. So I was really excited about having this in the studio. This helps me to keep my price point extremely low. The next item that I picked up was these black and white striped plates. I absolutely love them. Of course, I got them in both sizes, and you can also use these paper plates in your home as well. The bigger ones were only $1.49, and I thought that was such an amazing deal. And then they also had these sashes on clearance for $1.24. So I picked up some for the bride, the bridesmaids, and the matron of honor. So I thought these were such a steal of a deal and great for photo shoots. I also came across the Mr. and Mrs. sign. They were around $2 and some change each. And what I found out is that, I could actually cut the ribbon off the sign, and then they can still stand up on a sweetheart table. So those will work out perfectly. I also picked up this burlap cake stand. It was originally $59.99, and I got it for $14.99. So what a wonderful deal for that. And then I also picked up the cake knives and this Mr. and Mrs. Board with the little clamps on it. I thought it would be perfect to put on a gift table at a wedding, and you can attach the cards on it. And it was only $7.47, and I could not leave these roses. These are perfect for a wedding or for Valentine's Day. Hobby Lobby has a very nice quality rose petal, and these were only around $2. Now, I picked up this set right after Christmas. Actually, Sharonda picked it up for me. It was 90% off, but you guys will see how I use this one set later. So next up, I have items for the future. You guys know that we just celebrated a new year, and everything has 2018 on it. But you guys know the year does not deter me, because I was thinking about graduation parties that will take place later in the year. And of course, yes, this is the year of 2018, but it is also the class of 2018. So even though this was meant for New Year's, it would be perfect for a high school or a college graduation party photo booth. And of course, these balloons are going to be all the rave at all the graduations. And these were originally $9.99, but I got them at 90% off. So you guys have to think ahead of the game. I also purchased this New Year packet because it did not have the year on it, and I can definitely use this for the next year. Now, the next set of items I purchased were for the love of fashion. I went to my local bargain hunt and they had items for 70% off the lowest price. And oh my goodness, you guys, I could not believe some of the items that I found. I even found an Escada sweater for $5. And if you don't know who Escada is, I highly recommend that you look it up. Like, you see, it was $5. I ended up paying $1.50 for that sweater. So I'm going to share with you some of the other items that I was able to pick up during this shopping haul. So I got this super cute blazer, this black blazer from White House Black Market. I also picked up this leather top from White House Black Market. Super, super cute. I'm going to show you guys the tag on that. And then the price for that was $10. Of course, 70% off of that. This cute suede blazer that was $10. I also picked up this cranberry colored blazer by LL Bean. Yes, 70% off the $10. So most of these things I only paid like $1.50 to $3 for it. I got an Ann Taylor Loft jacket, so cute, for work, and it was probably around $3. I think, let me see, the price on this says $10. So with the extra 70% off, it was only $3. I got this cute little top to wear with the blazer. The original price was $5. With the extra 70% off, remember the sign here? So that only ended up being $1.50. So all hanging apparel was an extra 70% off the lowest mark price. I could not believe it when I came across this French Connection leather jacket. OMG, you guys. When I show you the price on this, you are not going to believe it. I love the olive green color. It is so super cute. $15 with an extra 70% off of that. I also came across this darling jacket and it has like two like trains down the side. It was $10 with an extra 70% off, making it just $3. And it's so cute on. If you guys would like to see a fashion haul with me showing you what these items look like on, like leave me a comment down below and I will do a super quick fashion haul for you guys so you can see. I also got this super cute khaki jacket from the Banana Republic. It was $10 with an additional 70% off, making it $3. So yes, so this concludes my super Lux for Less haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed watching this video. If you like videos like this, be sure to leave me a huge thumbs up. If you are not already a member of the Lux for Less family, I would love to have you to be a part of the Lux for Less family. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers! Oh my gosh, do you love my beanie? Like, it has a little birdcage veil over it with the little thing on the top. I thought it was so cute. It's still cold here in Alabama, so I just paired this beanie with a sweater because I'm here at the studio working and I wanted to just kind of stop and take some time to film this video for you guys really quickly.